In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with Monday.com. This integration can streamline your workflow and automate tasks between these two powerful platforms. Let's get started and simplify your project management like never before. First, we're going to navigate to the Zapier homepage. This is where all the magic happens, and you'll need to be logged in to access all the features we'll be exploring today. Once you're there, the next step is to click on the option called Zap. A Zap is an automated workflow that connects your apps and services together, making it a critical element of your automation process. Once you've clicked on Zap, the next step involves a trigger. Look for a button labeled Trigger and give it a click. A trigger is essentially the event that sets your Zap into motion. In this case, we want to integrate Monday.com as part of that series of actions. Next, you'll type in Monday.com into the search bar. This tells Zapier which app you want to connect and work with, allowing you to customize it further with specific commands related to Monday.com. After typing in Monday.com, simply click on the name as it appears. This will allow you to integrate it as your chosen app, and from here you can decide which events you want to trigger based on interactions within Monday.com. Now we're going to click on Choose an Event. This step is crucial because it defines what specific action within Monday.com will kickstart the automation. A well-chosen event can save you a lot of time and ensure your Zap behaves exactly as you intend. Select the option Triggers when any column's value is changed on the selected board. This will be our action event, which means anytime there's a change in a column on a particular board, the Zap will respond accordingly. This setup is ideal for staying updated on project developments or team communications. The next step is to click on Connect Monday.com. Doing this will allow Zapier to interact directly with your Monday.com account, which is essential for this integration. After clicking, you'll need to enter your API details to authenticate and authorize the connection. Once you have your API details typed in, proceed by clicking on Configure. This will ensure all your settings are saved correctly, allowing the Zap to run smoothly without errors. Click on the ID related with your project, which will link your Zap directly to a specific board on Monday.com. This pinpoints the exact projects and tasks you'll be automating, making your integrations highly specific. Once the ID is selected, click on Continue. This takes you to the final steps of setting up the trigger and ensures all configurations are correct before testing everything out. Finally, click on Test Trigger. This is where you'll see if everything is set up correctly. The test will simulate the trigger event you defined, confirming that your Zap works as planned and is ready to streamline your workflow. And there you have it, a seamless integration between Zapier and Monday.com in just a few easy steps. Thank you for joining today, and I hope this guide has been clear and helpful as you enhance your productivity with these remarkable tools.